sa atin na pwedeng palang magmahal, maging tapat, magpakailanman. Pinapakita ng Diyos na pwede pala ang forever, sa hirap at ginhawa, sa lungkot at ligaya, sa karamdaman at kalusugan. Nawa, ang pagmamahalan ng dalawang ito ay magiging sinag din upang tayo rin ay magmahal sa Diyos at sa ating kapwa na hindi lintana ang mga pagsubok.
Do you believe in the power of everlasting love? We can make it if we stay together. Our love is just enough. Promise me this forever. We'll always stay this way. We can start at the end of time and do it all again. Oh, my love, I'm all yours, and there will never be another one, 'cause I'm eternally yours. My heart's a flame, and it's burning in your name. Even through the sands of time, my love will always grow, and I won't let go. Here we stand, the world awaits. We'll let the stars tonight light the way. Hand in hand, through light or rain. It's your constant love that gives me strength. Under the starlight, we'll find our way, I know. This is the start of something beautiful. With you by my side, there's no place that we can't go. This is the start of something beautiful. When the wind moves along your face, it captures everything I long to say. So don't look back.
J. Chris, bukal ba siyang lubang yung pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Isabel na yung pakamahalin at paglingkuran habang buhay? Opo, Father. Isabel, bukal ba sa iyong lubang yung pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si J. Chris na iyong pakamahalin at paglingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Hilin ko sa inyo, J. Chris at Isabel, mamuhay kayong lagi sa pag-ibig at katapatan. Pag-ibig mo'y patunayan sa pagiging butihing may bahay na may pananampalataya, higit sa lahat, pag-ibig sa may kapal, bilang pagsunod sa kalooban ng Diyos Ama sa kalangitan.
Something beautiful. It's your love